Why shouldn't Percy have a new shape? He grumbled. Shape isn't good enough for me, and it's not good enough for him. He goes cattling off, leaving to do his work, and say he comes back how happy he feels. It's disgraceful. And here's another thing. Percy whistles too much. No more engine than whistles. That is respectful. And it isn't wrong, but we just can't do it. Poor Percy didn't feel happy anymore. Never mind. I, but I like your whistle. Goodbye, Percy. Percy went to Percy went to Toby's station. Hello, Percy. Hello, Percy. I like your whistle sound yesterday. Oh, thank you. Toby? Well, it whistles like Thomas, but, it whistles like Thomas. And Thomas didn't whistle like that. Stop! Stop, it's loud, it's hurting my ears. I wouldn't quite agree. Thomas burst his whistle. Thomas bothered the noise. Noise echoing him. Stop that noise! It's hurting my ears! They propped his whistle back in place. Stop you hearing it. Fixing your whistle. Yubi is fine. And you will have your whistle back. And then you have your whistle, and then you have it as normal. And you have a new whistle, and then before you come back for it, and you're gonna be off the rails from now on. Thomas stopped whistling, but he couldn't. Uh, I know what's wrong with you, Whistle. I'm gonna check right here. Uh, that. What is it? I'm trying to speak. I I fixed your whistle for you, but it reminds me, and it took my whistle. Hello, Percy. What are you doing for you? I'm gonna do what the Fat Control says. Where's your whistle? It's not here somewhere. Oh, I forgot. Maybe your whistle isn't here. I tried to find it earlier, but it spoiled the wrong story. What has happened to you? You okay? I missed. I I miss my whistle, but it reminds. But it took uh under the under control. It's mainly. What is it, sir? What is mean it, sir? I had a whistle this morning, and I had a great whistle this morning. Did I? And I had a great whistle, but I didn't hear it, so that's why. But it's my whistle, but it's echoing all over Sodor. It is echoing me and the famous artist. What is he doing now? Relate. I get to be the famous artist of the whistle. I go. I did toot even louder. I tooted, but it's like 3 decades. I, Edward stopped. Hello, Henry. How's your whistle doing? Is it doing okay? Yes, Edward. It is doing fine. My whistle to be enormous. Hero and spent this, but I I don't have whistles. Oh, I gotta go get things. I gotta go get the coaches from him. The train isn't ready. I don't need special coal left. Uh, uh, Choo. Well done, Percy. You did it. You did good. Ah, thank you. They were being so mean. Slanky Dog and Stout Gentleman. Slanky Dog almost came soda one day. 2 or 3 of these. He was simply the best at Imagine and all the best. And he was then repainted. And number 7. He's quite respectful for these 2 weeks. I know about it. Why you're asking? Well, forgotten? What? Oh no. Well, it's been like 4 years since a tram engine came to Sodor. Of course, his name is Swanky Dog. He is a good engine, right? It is. But, but, um, 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 he took, he took me in my mouth. He took everything in like it for you. I took, and then the paint is washed, and I will add a new coat of paint. It is Sammy. And how did you lose Enley's tender? Of course. The big engines would get also and uses James's wheels instead of his own. Why did Edward it have to be relying on me? He's like, hey. It does not matter. But the third thing and the tram engine is going to be the new engine. Oh, we're gonna try to get a new engine. Just wait. I'm gonna go get. I'll be back. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, your changer's almost done. Is it, driver? I have to wait and see. If no more naps. Can't you connect James' wheels instead? Uh, I quite misunderstand it, and it will rot. And I had to do stuff, but the new engine is going to be Slinky Dog. They repainted him immediately. They got him to fit, and they're urgent to let the paint dry. Wood green. Wood is made of brown. And the extra tram we had to see. It's with these engines that are ought to order to my railway. Do you know? This engine has a rough boiler, and the dentant is Slinky. Slinky's only a dog and has a window frame up to his front and window frame up to his side. And which one can I pick up now? And one of these engines can really harass on our engines. So today, we're going to do a tram engine. We first came to Sodor. Well, his name was Slanky Dog. Slanky Dog is like Henry's model. It's not like but the small engines like Gordon's Windows. I'm going to take the brown window frame and then he could ask for help. He has a gray running board up to his buffers. And and the running board connected with the foot plate and axle. Dark gray. And the end axle is completely done. Now for the middle bogey. I hate the middle bogey and that the wheels are not too stick. It connected me wrong. Connected me wrong. Say to sorry. Yep, that's our friend Slinky Dog. Do his buffers. And do his buffers. I use a Trina Henry model, but has no coupling. No coupling. No coupling on it. No coupling. No coupling. I said no coupling. Okay. Let's do Slinky Dog. Put him right there. And then do 3D. And then put him right here. Using it with Henley's Tander with axle bogey rods and big E-wheel. E-wheel. Take E-wheel. Okay, using it with Henley's Tander. Axle with bogey plates. And you can add that. It is unreasonable. And then and you put the tender on the bogey. All right. Slanky Dog is coming to the island of Sodor. And he is going to help and share and care on the island of Bogey Sodor. What a beautiful day. Hello, Toby, says Gordon. Hello, Gordon. Edward, you look good as new, Slinky Dog. What are you up? I look good as new. I'll be a tram engine.